Welcome to adding a user. To add a user, go to Administration, Users. At this point, select Add. You will add the user's name, their password. You will enter their first name, their last name. You will enter the office that they are based out of, their address, their country that they reside out of, their state, their city, and zip code. All this information is required. Then you will proceed to their email address, and then add their phone number. This phone number will appear on each and every rate and load confirmation that they create. At this point, select Save and Sort. Simply pull up the information for the user that we added, which was Albert. Go to the green shield, which will be their permission settings. In this section, you can set them up as an administrator, which will give them full access to ITS Dispatch and all tools. You can choose to set them up instead as a dispatcher. If you choose the dispatcher, this will give them limited access to create the loads, but it will not give them access to things such as the accounting, the reports, or able to set up the other users within the company. You can, on a third choice, choose custom permissions. Under custom permissions, you can come into this section and set what part of the applications you want this user to have access to. All you do is simply unlock each individual part of the application that you want them to have access to, then simply close. The unlocked sections are the only ones that they will be able to get into. Everything else will be shut for them. For our example today, we are going to use the administrator. Now you have a second choice. If you are paying this person a commission based on their work, you can set them up as a sales rep as well. You can set up the sales rep as an administrator, sales rep as a dispatcher, or the sales rep as custom permissions. It will work with all three settings. Once you've chose the appropriate settings, simply hit close. Then we will sort the information to pull it up again. This time we will proceed to the details. Under details is where you will go in, and you'll notice now you have a new tab called commissions. Under this tab, you can go in and set up how you are going to pay that person. You can pay them on a percentage of the gross, a percentage of the margin, a percent of the base rate margin, or fourthly, your advanced commission. In here, you can choose in each part of the categories what you want to choose to pay them at. Or you can choose simply a flat rate. Once you've done the settings, simply hit Save. The information will be calculated automatically for you. If at any time in the future you need to go in and update that profile, simply come into your account, find the user once again, and edit the information. You can change their details or the permission levels at any time. Thank you.